Hi, my name is Elizabeth Barth, and I am a registered dietitian with Massachusetts General Hospital for Children, and today we'll be talking about understanding and using the hunger scale. So using the hunger scale, using it before, during, and after meals. Here we have our hunger scale, something similar you might have seen, like a pain scale at the doctor's, but this will be a little bit different. So when we look at a scale, numbers from 1 to 10, this is a quantitative way of looking at our hunger. So 1 would be feeling starving, feeling so hungry that we feel sick, and 10 is the opposite end, which would be, again, feeling so sick because you're so full. So it's usually best to steer away from anywhere between a 1 and a 10, but somewhere feeling more like a 4, 5, 6, maybe 3, maybe 7. But you'd want to use the scale to measure how you feel before your meals, during your meals, after and in between those meals. So here is how we would use the scale to use it in the best way possible. For 1, you'd want to set a schedule for your meals. So try to eat meals and snacks at the same time every day. Will help you kind of stay in that range between 3, 4, 5, 6, so you can avoid feeling like a 1 or a 10. It's also very important to be checking in with your body. So when you're eating, see if you still feel hungry or if you're beginning to feel full. It's really helpful to do this at the table without any distractions, so keeping away a cell phone and a TV are best. And then 3, focus on fueling with filling foods. This is going to be those really high fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and unsaturated fats, which we will be going over in the next slide, what those are exactly. So just to reiterate, it is really normal and healthy to feel full, and this is how to do it. So there are examples of healthy fats and proteins to be eating regularly to help you feel full for even longer. And you want to eat these pretty much with all meals and snacks. It definitely should make up a portion of your meals and snacks. So we have vegetable oil, olive oil, canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil. Think of the fats and the oils from plants. Like nuts and nut butters. So we have peanut butter, which is a pretty well-known one, but there's also almond butter too, which has been pretty popular. There are seeds like pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds that you can make yourself or just buy already packaged and made. Avocado, really healthy and delicious source of fat. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, trout, and herring also are a really important source of protein. Full-fat dairy, so whole milk or even 2% milk, cheese, and yogurt. So even just eating a little bit of this is really helpful, again, with feeling full for longer periods of time. Foods that have 3 grams of fiber or more, so look at that nutrition label. Fruits and vegetables, beans and legumes, so like lentils and whole grains. So that's really it about using the hunger scale. Again, make sure to use this in between meals, after meals, during meals, and don't worry if this takes a little bit of time to practice. Starting anywhere is always a great place.